ഭൂഗോളത്തിന്റെ ഓരോ സ്പന്ദനവും കണക്കിലാണ്. വിത്തൗട്ട് മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സ് ഭൂമി വെറും ഒരു വട്ടപ്പൂ.
Hi, I am Deepa. Welcome to my Max channel. Please subscribe my channel by pressing the subscribe button below. So today, നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ടതുപോലെ ഭൂമിയുടെ സ്പന്ദനം തന്നെ കണക്കിലാണ്. ഇന്ന് അത്തരമൊരു കണക്കാണ് നമ്മൾ പരിചയപ്പെടാൻ പോകുന്നത്. We are going to learn Fibonacci numbers. The Fibonacci numbers are 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, etc. How we are obtaining Fibonacci numbers? Starting with 0 and 1, the numbers following are the sum of the previous two. You can see in the screen 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 8, 13. Like that, adding the previous two numbers, we will get the consecutive number in the Fibonacci series. And these numbers appear in all over in the universe. If we see the petals of flowers, they are one among the Fibonacci numbers. 8 petals you can see over here. See another flower with 5 petals. Petals of the flowers are often the numbers from the Fibonacci sequence. So you can see the hibiscus over here with 5 petals. Most of the plant leaves are also following the Fibonacci sequence. They are called Fibonacci numbers because the Italian mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci recognized these numbers. Now look at this sunflower. Look at the spiral arrangement of its seeds at the center. There are clockwise as well as anti-clockwise spirals. Most of the times these spirals are of the number 21, 34, etc. They are the numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. And why this is so? Because it is the most efficient possible way in nature to pack the greatest number of seeds in the smallest confined space. Here, you can count the spirals in the clockwise direction and you will get 21 spirals over here. If the size of the sunflower is much greater, the number of spirals will also be more, but however, it will be a number in the Fibonacci sequence. So, consider the case of a pineapple. Look at the number of scales in a pineapple. The scales are arranged spirally in the pineapple, and if we count the number of scales, that will be a number in the Fibonacci sequence. Sometimes it will be 8, sometimes 13. Like that, always it will be a number in the Fibonacci sequence. I've marked the scales over there in the circles. Those scales, the number will be a Fibonacci number. Similarly, the spirals I have marked in the arrow mark. Spirals, the number of spirals will also be a Fibonacci. Now let us see the squares of the Fibonacci numbers. 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, etc. Let us see a geometrical interpretation for this. You can see the square 1 with side 1, and we can attach another square with side 1 to it. Now the one squares will form a rectangle with one side 2. To that we can attach a square of side 2. And now one side of this rectangle is of length 3. So we can attach a square of side length 3 to it. And now one side of that will become 5. So we will attach a square of side length 5 to it. Now you can see, you can draw quarter circles to these squares. The magenta line which shows the quarter circles drawn on each of the square, and it takes the shape of a spiral. And this spiral forms the basis of shape for many living organisms in this earth. The spiral shape. Look at the snail, which perfectly shows the spiral shape. Now let us divide the Fibonacci numbers by the previous number. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5, 5 by 3 is 1.66, 8 by 5 1.6. Thus we can see that when we divide a Fibonacci number by the previous one, the ratio that is the number is approaching to 1.6. And this 1.6 is known as the golden ratio. and it is denoted by a Greek letter phi. And this golden ratio can be seen in the shapes of living organisms. Now let us have a geometrical interpretation for this. Look back at the spiral that we got earlier, the golden rectangle and the golden spiral that we got earlier. So if you look at the space occupied by the square 2, we could see that space will be 1.618 times larger than the space took by the ones put together. So that is the connection with this ratio to the spiral. And this can be seen everywhere. Look at the peacock feather. And I have drawn 2 lines, white lines over there. If we divide those lengths, we will get the same ratio. Look at the waves. They also exhibit the same spiral. The spiral known as the golden spiral. And the Milky Way. The Milky Way also exhibits the golden spiral. Anything and everything in this universe shows this ratio.
മരുന്നോ ആളെ വേണ്ടത്ര പരിചയമില്ലാന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. ലോക പ്രസിദ്ധനാ തനി രാവണൻ 10 തല